My poor old Caravan door, the plastic that they've driven in on the right angle joints died. I'm going to fix it with goop. This is my favourite goop, MSP 190. It's made by Fixtech, and it's amazing. One, it doesn't go off in the tube. You can have a tube for 12 months. It'll harden in the nozzle, but it won't go off. And I use this to fix everything. It's got 32 kilos per square centimetre holding power. So there's 32 kilograms per square centimetre. So if you've got something a square centimetre and you glue it down with this, you can hang up to 32 kilograms off it. It's amazing stuff. I've stuck up all sorts of things, from thongs to steps on boats to leaky windows, you name it. And I'm going to use it here, and I'm going to squeeze it in both those joints where the plastic is, and onto the plastic. Then I'm going to rivet a plate over the front, and that door will be good for another 40 years. Okay, we've fixed our door. I even put some more goop in other places. It actually has lifted the door a bit, but that's alright. So I even gooped this back in place because it was slipping all over the joint. And I put brackets on 3 corners. So she's now well and truly locked together. And many more years of service. While I was at it, this had come away, must have hit something. So before I put the pop rivets in, it's got MSP 190 in behind the rivets where the holes were, because I ripped a little bit. So there's no chance of moisture. And somewhere this has got caught on a pole or whacked, so it had pulled apart. So more goop in there and tidied her up so it can't get water in. So she's watertight again.